Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to customize your invitations on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to select any of the invitation templates you want to choose from or edit. So I'm just going to choose this adult. So once I've chosen that, I would see a page very similar, or you will see a page very similar to what is displayed right now on my screen. So all you have to do is to just scroll and choose a template. I can choose this, and once I've chosen it, it should appear this way. Now all I have to do is to customize the text here. Once I customize it, I can go to the other details of the template. So I can just click on this, and then customize it, change it to what I want. This is Kelly's birthday party. I can make it Brad's Brad's birthday party. I can change the text style to what I want it to be, and also change the location and the date. So once I'm done with it, I can click on next or event details, and this will just take me to a page where I can add the title of the events, the dates, and some other details which we may not need to go into now. But you guys get the idea. Once you are done, click on next. This is the second page of editing. You can click on next till you get to 4. So once you do this, you can add your guest of honor, your co-host, and the rest. So once you are done, click on next or gifting, and then to take us to the final page. No, it will take us to the gift page rather, where we can add our gifts, and from there we can add our guests, and that will be all. Since we do not want any gifts, we can just go or finish. So this is the final page, which is the review page, where we get to see everything we've done. And once we are good with this, if we want to create a poll, we can actually create a poll here, and we can also create a what to bring list here, but all those are not needed. So after that, we can just click on finish and add guest, and our invites would be ready. So if this video has been helpful to you guys in any way, please let me know in the comment section, and be sure to see you also in the next video. Also guys, please subscribe, it really helps our channel grow. Have a great day.